DJT Stock Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. So Trump Media and Technology stock, it's sitting at 10% now for the day, and I personally am very surprised because it is actually sitting in a supply area, and now there's two ways that we can go about it. Now, just for context, all I'm sticking to is a strategy that's previously given me thousands of predictions, and I'm telling you all of this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. But like looking at DJT, this means we either now break the highs above 2084 and I start to take it potentially up, or we break the lows below 16, and this is a bearish movement for me, right? One of, like, we have to pick, like, this is not gonna consolidate forever, so the answer is going to be like one of those two things, and really that determines what we do, whether we're bullish or not, so, or short even in this case. So guess what I'm doing right now? Waiting, of course. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using for free, click the first link in the description. All reviews 5 stars.